Hello everyone. Today in Cord's Kitchen, you're going to get another unique dish. See the number of veggies I have chopped. It took me a long time. I'll start and then you will see what I'm making today. First, I'm starting with pound garlic. Lots of garlic because I love the garlic flavor and so does everyone, I guess. After the garlic, the onion goes in. See, the onions are in cube size. Most of the vegetables that I have chopped today are in that size. Usually not done for noodles, but I have done it. Just saute for 1 minute till the onions become translucent. The aroma of the garlic is intoxicating. Next, I'm putting the capsicum because it's not been blanched. It's raw and I'm just going to saute it so that there's a little crunch left in it, not making it too soft. I'm sure you guessed what I'm making because the vegetables chopped are a huge platter. Making noodles is not tough, but chopping the vegetables takes some time and art. So that's what I did for an hour or so. Lots of vegetables. But I have a twist in my recipe as usual, like I do every time. I make it easier for everyone to try out my recipes so that they don't have to order from Swiggy or from Zomato. On a Sunday, make your own meal. It doesn't take much time. I'm adding beans now, French beans, chopped diagonally and blanched. Green chilies too. You can add your own favorite vegetables. You can add broccoli, you can add French beans, carrots, leeks, whatever you like. Here the carrot is going in now. Again chopped diagonally. I didn't blanch the carrot either because it's easy to become too soft and we don't want any of these veggies to become soft. It just has to be a stir fry. I love the color of this. Orange, green, translucent white. Looks so good. I'm making a one pot meal actually. You don't need any accompaniments, and now I'm adding lots of baby corn. It becomes more filling, more healthier if you add more vegetables to your noodles. I know noodles are just flour, not very healthy, but you can make it healthier. The amount of veggies are growing. I'm just sauteing it, tossing. I will add a little vinegar here so that the veggies don't become too soggy. Just chili vinegar. Just 1 teaspoon will do. a little chili soy sauce. Soy sauce has its own flavor. Some ketchup. Be generous with it. And what my favorite is the Szechuan sauce. Lots of it. Let me lower the gas. As we are not adding any gravy to the noodles, you need slightly wet sauteed vegetables that can act as a curry too. So now it's nice and wet. I'm going to add a little pepper. How many of you like pepper? I love pepper. My mom used to use it a lot and I got into the habit of using pepper myself. And then salt to taste. I'm a very salty person, so quite a lot of salt actually. Yeah, my BP is fine, it's not high. When you add the salt, it becomes more liquidy. I found this fresh cabbage today. It was really very fresh and I love chopping it into, just see the strands. I chopped it with my hand, not with any mixer or anything like that. No, not grated. There, my platter of veggies are all in the pan. Rather a kadai, a wok, a huge one. You don't need to saute cabbage much. See how good it looks. Nice rich color. I'm going to add a little water so that the noodles is not really very dry. Don't forget to add a half teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will enhance the taste. I'm not wasting this Szechuan sauce, it was still there, so I added the water in it. Here I'm adding the sugar, just small teaspoon. Now my veggies are nice and ready. So let me add the noodles. Who doesn't love noodles, right? Boiled noodles that I set aside. Separate it with 2 forks. I added cold water, but again it's become a bit dry and sticky. Now for the twist in my recipe is I'm adding rice. I'm sure you haven't eaten noodles and rice together, but this is what I'm doing today, is I'm adding rice. So people who love rice get the flavor of rice, and those who love the noodles like me get the noodles. So here goes. Saute nicely. I think I can add a little more rice. There is lots of flavor in it. The rice also should be parboiled and remove the starch so that it's not sticky, or you can use leftover rice, which is very good for fried rice. Now you can see all the veggies are all up and about. Reduce the flame a bit, and I have to top it with spring onions from my garden. Plus I have some garlic chives. Love the flavor of them. I'm going to top with, I garnish it with peanuts actually, roasted peanuts. So I'm going to switch this off and I'm going to do the plating. It's done. Didn't take much time, did it? Now here goes. Look at that. Rice, noodles, lots of veggies, garlic, onions, baby corn, carrot, capsicum. I'm just topping it with some capsicum so that it looks green and red, as you can see. Finally, garlic chives. See, your noodles and rice sauteed is ready to eat. Thank you everyone. My recipe is different, I told you, it's rice and noodles, but then so is my topping. Roasted peanuts. I love peanuts, do you? Crunchy. Add this to your meal. Add some garlic sauce. There you are. It's ready to eat. Where is my fork? So, time to dig in. So you're digging into rice or you're digging into noodles. It's up to you, whatever is coming in your spoon or fork. And rice. What do you think I'm going to pick first? I'm a noodle lover. I love my ramen and I love the rice. I'm a South Indian, so I love my rice. I'm going to eat it all. Just the corn, pop it in my mouth. Full of flavor. Yummy.